everyone, welcome back to my channel Hideout Eternity. Hope you are all doing good. Here Abhi again in driving mode. So today is very good weather here and we are planning to go to High Park. It's a famous place in Toronto. It's a huge park. You cannot complete in one day. চলো তাহলে দেখা হবে. See you guys. So friends, we reached here. This is the parking area. You have to pay for it, I think per hour. So we already parked our car here. We paid and we are all set to go inside the park. It took 15 to 20 minutes drive from my place. We can come by bus and subway also. There's some playground for kids. So this is the main attraction for Bitan. That's why we bring him here. And there is one food junction to get rid of your hunger. You want to go inside?
Yes, you.
This side, come. Slowly. There is another one, see? Yeah, you see? That one. Not from there. Stairs. Now go again. Yes.
There is one more. This one.
বসে দাও.
I can climb up.
Okay. Mama will help you.
Push me, Mama.
You have to hold the chain. তিনটে অবধি কেটেছি টিকিট.
And it's going in 3, 2. Ta-da!
Very good. Now this one. Here. Kukru. Yeah, this one. Hold up. This. Hold the rod. Hold the rod. Where is the rod? Rod top. Ah, very good. Again.
Yeah. Very good.
Wow.
Okay, you can't go down. Go. Yep. Wow, they climbed all the way to the top.
This one. This one.
I'm banging into one girl. Okay, stop.
No, this is not that.
I want to play handball. How do you the Where's Carmen? Carmen, stop licking that hot.
Come.
Okay. I want to ride with you, Dad. I'm scared.
What are you doing, guys?
Let's go down.
Hey, dopo হয়ে যাবে। দেখো কিন্তু ওকে স্টাইল মারতে গিয়ে ধপা আসলো না। হ্যালো মামা। See guys, Bitan doesn't want to come here, but we have to go now. It's about to start rain, but Bitan is not ready to go. So friends, Hyde Park is done for today. Now we'll go for some grocery shopping. In the meantime, we'll have something because we are all hungry. And
Yes.
after that, let's see what to do. Stay with us.